Ever wondered what bacterial vaginosis is and how it can affect your health? Bacterial vaginosis, often referred to as BV, is a common vaginal infection caused by an imbalance of the naturally occurring bacteria in the vagina. It can cause discomfort and even lead to other health problems if left untreated. Symptoms can include unusual discharge, a fishy odor, and itching or burning. Understanding this condition is the first step towards prevention and treatment. So, if you're looking for ways to prevent or treat bacterial vaginosis, you're in the right place. Prevention is always better than cure, right? So let's dive into the prevention methods for bacterial vaginosis. Step 1. Maintain good personal hygiene. This starts with regular bathing and changing your underwear daily. Opt for cotton undergarments that allow the area to breathe. Step 2. Avoid using douches or other feminine hygiene products that can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the vagina. These products can be more harmful than helpful, so it's best to steer clear. Step 3. Practice safe sex. Using condoms or dental dams can reduce the risk of bacterial vaginosis, as it is often associated with new or multiple sexual partners. Finally, remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes eating a balanced diet and staying well hydrated. These might seem like simple steps, but they can go a long way in preventing bacterial vaginosis. Remember, these prevention measures can significantly reduce the risk of bacterial vaginosis. But what if you already have bacterial vaginosis? Don't worry, there are some natural remedies you can try. So, let's dive into some of these natural remedies. First up, we have yogurt. Yes, you heard right, yogurt. The live cultures found in yogurt can help restore the vagina's normal pH balance. You can either include more yogurt in your diet or apply it directly. Next up is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has been known for its antibacterial properties. To use it, add a few drops to a small amount of warm water and use it as a rinse. Finally, we have garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries due to its antimicrobial properties. Including more garlic in your diet can help in fighting off bacterial vaginosis. Remember, these remedies can help, but they're not substitutes for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist. These natural remedies can support your body in fighting off bacterial vaginosis. So, to summarize, we've learned that bacterial vaginosis is a common condition, but there are several ways to prevent it. Good hygiene practices, a healthy diet, and regular medical checkups are essential. We've also explored natural remedies like probiotics and tea tree oil, which can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria. It's important to remember that while these methods can help, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay informed, stay safe,